like tinola. I don't like tinola.
Oh, this is my rant! Stop reacting!
We're allowed to eh.
Well, I love your voice, Mika, ha, by the way. Like,
Ay, salamat po.
oh my gosh.
Thank you po.
Oo. That's...
Is mic on? Yes, guys. Hashtag Dear Beanie. Please send your artworks or artworks because yeah. Akala ko may ilalagay. Yes, this is until all.
Kuya Franco ba kanina?
Talaga ba?
Ngayon na lang po rin kami ng 1 million po this year.
Ay, thankful.
Ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig mo.
Can you move? I'm trying to use my room like I'm supposed to.
This is Mika's room, so kalat, ew.
Ala, excuse me. As if hindi makalat-kwarto niya after a day of going out.
Yes. Kiss nyo naman si Mika. Okay, kiss na. Okay. Ito isa na naman eh. Kiss Mika. Sige, uupuan kita. Okay, there are two football.
Mga baby pa po sila. So, yung energy po, kailangan po nilang matulog.
Kailangan pa ng energy, no? So,
Apo.
basta something soft lang, tulog agad. Ayun,
Apo.
ito naman, magkakaalaman ulit.
Pesos.
Yes, and we're so excited na pumunta na sa Dubai.
Yes, at gawin yung mga dares nyo.
Yes.
See you there, Dubai. See you there,
Beanie and
Dubai.
BGYO will be there in Dubai.
May gumagano sa gilid.
I think we got it.
Okay, let's go, Blooms. Question number 8. Magkayakap. Okay, so okay.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm
Na
so
ako
happy.
partner mo? Okay.
No. Okay, so PH.
Pakis nga, Migs.
Kasi yung year talaga, sobrang kami nanibago kasi syempre first time namin gumamit sa in-ear kasi ang dami yung pwede marinig. Yung boses ko, yung music, yung backup vocals, yung gusto mo marinig yung members ko, or ito lang, or gusto mo marinig yung banda. Or basta madami pa, so kailangan namin adjust yung music.
Mika din, puro thirst trap. Nakalag talaga yung TikTok ko.
Today is the day of the day that we are going to finally announce today.
Good morning, Mix. Good afternoon. Ako na. So, Blooms,